multi-step inequalities. Please solve and graph the following inequality. 4x plus 3 minus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 12. So what are they asking? Basically, they're asking for you to please solve the variable. There's your variable, the x, and what you want to do here is you want to first combine like terms. And when combining like terms, make sure you combine like terms on the same side of the inequality sign. So on the left side, you have plus 3 and minus 3x, which are both constants. You can combine those and they cancel each other out. And then you're left with 4x is greater than or equal to negative 12. Moving on to the next step, we're going to use inverse operations to isolate the variable. Therefore, we're going to divide by 4 on one side of the equation. And then whatever we do to one side, we'll do to the other side. Divide by 4. The 4's wind up canceling each other out. And then what are you left with? Well, you're left with x is greater than or equal to negative 3. And the next thing we have to do is graph the inequality because that's what we were asked to do. So let's create a number line down below. And here are just some notes to keep in mind whenever you're working with inequalities. For example, use open circles for greater than and less than inequalities, and use closed circles for greater than or equal to or less than or equal to inequalities, which look like this. So back to the problem, and here's just a quick side note. Always read from the x, and it reads x is greater than or equal to negative 3. So now we're going to plot a negative 3 on the number line. And because it's greater than or equal to, we will use a closed circle. And numbers that are greater than negative 3 go to the right. Okay, greater than is to the right. So please, good work, and just keep up the good work, and let's keep getting through these problems.